Hello and welcome you all to the Wondershare Filmora video editing course. In this course, I will teach you each and everything about video editing in Filmora. Because of today's era, Filmora is a very popular software you can use in video editing and you can share your videos. Today's era, 90% of YouTubers are using this software. So in this course, I will teach you each and everything that what is media file, folder, project creation, splitting videos, reversing videos, chroma key, applying effect, doing transition and adding title and text in your video. So this is just an introduction video. So we are going to learn all aspects of Wondershare Filmora video editing, and I'm sure that after completing this video series you will able to make videos as you require. And you can, after making these videos, you can share on social media anywhere. So there are lots of things in Filmora. So in upcoming videos, I will teach you each and everything that what is Filmora software, how you can download Filmora and install Filmora in your computer. And after that, I will teach you each and everything, each points. I will not leave anything in Filmora. So thank you, and we will meet you in the next video. Hello. In this lecture, we are going to see that how you can download and install software in your PC. So let's start. So first of all, you have to go Google, and after that you have to search Filmora, Filmora, Filmora. Okay, so here you will get official website of Filmora. So just click on the first link, official website, Wondershare Filmora AI video editing software. Click over here. So simply you can go to the official website of Filmora, and here is the beautiful website of Filmora. So if you want to download, just click over here in this section, download, and wait for some time, and you will redirect to the next page, I think, or might be the same page. And wait for a minute. I think my net is very slow, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now this Filmora setup is downloaded. Once you have downloaded this one file, just start download and you will download that file. And after downloading, just run and follow the instructions. This is the setup file you can download, and after that just double click and install. Okay, just double click and hit open and say yes. So after clicking on yes, you will be installing the software. I have already installed software in my PC, so I don't need to install it again. So I click on no, but you have to click on yes and further proceed. And once after installing software, you have to log in your account. So simply go to your Filmora software and click over here login. Okay, so here you can enter your account detail, email ID, password, whatever you want, and after that you can log in. And after login, you will get pure interface where you will find all these things, title, audio, everything unlocked. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see how you can create a new file or how you can create a new project and start editing. So from the next lecture, we will start editing from the new file project. Okay. So meet in the next session. Until then, bye-bye. See you later. Hello and welcome to the Wondershare Filmora, another video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about interface of Filmora. So without wasting time, let's get started, because I think that first of all you have to know about interface. After that, you will able to work in Filmora. So let's get started. Actually right now you are seeing my Filmora in my screen and it's looking very white and very pretty. How I do that? Because of previously video when I recorded, that dark theme was not appropriate for the video. So right now I changed my interface into white. So how you can change? Just go to file and preferences, and here you can change light, dark, system default, whatever you want. Okay, so it's very basic, don't worry about that. So let's get started. So first of all, whenever you open your Filmora software, so you can see in that left right corner that Filmora logo and Wondershare Filmora, the name of the software. After that you will see some file, edit, tools, view, help. This is actually menu bar, so you can access your menus from here. Just click on any menu if you want to tool like split trim, auto synchronize, create proxy file, sync delete. What is proxy file? I will detail discuss after videos, so don't worry about that. AI based text vocal remover, whatever, everything I will discuss about that. Don't worry about that. Right now in this video I'm only discussing about interface of Filmora, that how you can use interface, because of you have to be familiar with interface. So in after the menu bar you can come down here, so you will see media, stock media, audio, titles, transition, effect, sticker and template. And you are seeing that whenever I am clicking anywhere like title or text, so these menu files are changing according to that particular area. Whenever I'm selecting that, if I select audio, then some menus are showing audio, sound effect, AI, music, mines. And whenever I select for media, so you can see that global media, cloud media, adjustment layer and compound layer. So basically this tab is called media tab. So in project media folder, even you can use your own folder. Here two folders are given, 1 and 2. This is for delete folder and this is for create new folder. Whenever you select, like I want to create a folder in global media, so I will click on global media and create folder. Right now I don't have any media, so global media is turned off. That's why. Wait for some time. I think my Filmora is hanged right now. So we were discussing about global media. So if I want to create any folder in global media, so just I will select global media and click on that particular item and create folder. Yeah, or I can press Ctrl Alt N to create a new folder. Or simply if I want to delete a folder, if I like to delete this folder, so I just click this folder and I have to click on that folder, or simply click delete, so you can delete folder. Here project media, you can just in this area you can double click and import your files. So just double click and import your file. Okay, so this one is cloud media. If you have cloud already login, then you can share your cloud medias, whatever your files upload, images, videos from Filmora cloud, because of Filmora given you storage also. And here adjustment layers, so whenever we edit videos and apply effects on videos, so we don't apply directly effect on videos, we just use a adjustment layer and apply effect over there. Okay, and some as customs and compound clips. So basically this one is a media project where you import all the media. And after that, second one is the stock media. Here you can find various stocks from internet, like solid colors, motion black, gradient color, black color, liquid black, whatever. There are various tons of effects are given, so you can use. So here you can find your stock media, basically gradient color, whatever you want, you can explore. And here you can find audio files, basically different types of audio. And this one is the title. Whenever you add a text and various things, so you can use title tab. And here you can find various transactions for your video. Whenever you join or combine two videos, and so you can use your transactions. Here you can find different effects for your video. And here you can find stickers whenever you use, like emoji, subscribe, laughing, and much more. And here you can find some of the templates, pre-made template, which you can use. And here you can find split screen. I will discuss everything, each and everything one by one. I'm just giving you the overview in this video. And this sheet in down, the main sheet is called playlist. So whenever you import your file or media in project media, and drag and drop in in this area. And this one is called timeline, which actually this one is the timeline. And most important things, one of the most important thing is timeline. You can drag and drop your videos and combine them and export them from this. And this one is called preview window, just because of whenever we edit video, so we can see preview over here. And also sometimes we use for cropping the videos. And some of the interface are given already from default, organized, timeline. You can use according to you, and also you can customize your interface according to your use. Okay, so in the next video we will start actual learning from importing media and that media comes into timeline, and after that we will cut and paste, and after that we will edit the videos. So meet in the next video. Thank you.